everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Happy Friday to everybody. I'm standing outside of a 16 by 66. We call this home the Matson. This is a single wide. And I wanted to talk about a couple things on the exterior. We haven't really talked about this before. You're going to notice that it seems when you look at it that there is a row of siding missing. Well, this option is called Move the Starter Strip Up. Now, when these homes are produced, they are foundation ready, so that means that this frame underneath here will sit right on top of a foundation. So but if you're not sitting in on a foundation and you're going to just do a slab or you're going to do some piers, you're going to have skirting. So when the installer goes to install your home, he's going to need a place to have the starter strip for the skirting. So you can have us at the factory move the starter strip up. That way the installer doesn't have to do it. In most cases, when an installer has to do that for you, they're going to charge you about $500. So this is a minimal option. You're not going to pay $500 to have us do that here. So if you know you're going to put your home on a slab, you know you're going to have vinyl skirting, go ahead and have us move the starter strip up. We do have a couple of packages that's included anyways, but it's always a good idea to let your housing consultant know that you need to do that. Or also you need to tell them what kind of foundation you're going to put your home on so that we know how to design the home. Also, what we have going on, we've got black shutters on the outside. We do a couple different options on exterior shutters. You can do shutters or lineal trims, or you can do nothing, whatever you want to do. Let's go inside and take a look and see what we got. So the reason I decided to showcase this home, if you remember, this is one of our show homes as well. Now this one is going to a customer, but many things that you can do in this home, and I noticed that they have a cabin feel when I walked in. This exterior door is right here on the side. However, if you wanted to, you could easily move that door over to there, and that would be helpful if you're going to put this home on a lake. In that case, you can add a porch. So if you have a front living area that is front loaded, like I call it, that means you can extend this frame out and add a covered porch on it. And that's always a great feature if you're going to be facing the lake. Whatever your view is here, you want to maximize that view. So easily move the window over a little bit, move this door over there, or you can move this window over here. Either way, remember, we have to adhere to a light and vent schedule when we're building HUD homes. So the government wants to precisely measure the amount of light that's going in a home to make sure that the consumers don't get depressed. So what a great thing is that. Prior to 1976, there was nothing like that going on, that's for sure. So since the HUD law came about, homes just keep getting better and better. The reason I thought this home had a nice cabiny feel is because of the colors that I'm seeing here. We've got a 013 island, which this is the smallest island that we make, and it's nice because it can fit in limited areas. Now, again, another HUD rule, 36 inches from surface to surface. That's a law. We've got to make sure that that's that way. You can see the reason that we do that, or the reason the government made that rule, is because if at any time there is someone in the home who is in a wheelchair, they want to make sure that they can easily move around. So that's great. 42-inch cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Here we've added a pantry. Let's see, I knew it, a little Lazy Susan in there. And then also another cabinet up top. What's going on in here? Just an opening. Down on the bottom, we've done a pull-out shelf so that if you are searching for that special can of chicken noodle soup, it's easy to find. All right, like I said, cabinets to the ceiling, so you get all that extra storage. Hopefully you're taller than 5'2" like I am, or you have somebody in your home that can reach things for you. This is what we call the data plate. So on your data plate, that's important to have. You're going to have a serial number. You're also going to have what wind zone it's built to. A lot of helpful information in there. Another thing that I noticed on the countertop, Energy Star compliant. So, or a certified home. When you tell me you would like to have an Energy Star home, I'm going to make sure I add the appropriate insulation, the appropriate appliances, all of the things that make this certified. And what's the benefit of that? Well, here locally, our gas and our electric provider, NIPSCO, more specifically, offers you a discount if your home is certified like that. So not a bad idea to have that done. We've added a package, microwave over the range, gas range, dishwasher, 18.2 cubic refrigerator, all done by Whirlpool. And if this were me, I think this was a good idea. We've got one whole wall that can be used for an entertainment wall. Again, like I said, I would move the door over there, but everybody has different reasons they're building homes. So whatever is best for you is best for us. We're happy to do what you like. Here's bedroom 2. Now this home is available in a 2 or a 3 bedroom version. What happens is if you do a 2 bedroom version, we are going to push that living room out quite a ways. If you go back and look at some of my earlier Matson videos, especially the show home, that's what we did there. 100 amp is a standard. You can upgrade that to a 200 amp. And why would you want to do that? If you're going to have central air, you want to make sure you have a 200 amp. Here's bedroom 3. This one's a little bigger than the last one. Laundry area. This is a different style of accent wall. We see the brick a lot. Every once in a while you'll see this. Here's bath 2. And the primary bedroom. This is the cutest vacation single wide ever. Nice walk-in closet. And last but not least, the primary bath. Plenty of room in here for an extended vanity with the bank of drawers and also the walk-in shower 2-seater. All right. Hey everybody, what a great start to the weekend. We've got the Matson on display, lots of other stuff, lots of other homes, and if I'm feeling adventurous when you come visit with me, we can climb in quite a few. So I'm Kristina, I'm the mobile home mama, and I sure do appreciate y'all for watching. Have a great weekend.